Hi and welcome to Kinga Sektas boutique. As you can see, we've got a variety of jewellery here that Kinga's made herself, all handmade. And my name is Kirsty and I'm presenter for Kinga Sektas boutique. Just going to take you through to the jewellery that, well, I like. I'm just going to show you like the variety of jewellery that we got. And this is my favourite. We have Danielle here, our little bird on a ring, and it's part of the candy collection, yeah. And it just sits on your hand there. Okay, so when you order from Kinga Sektas boutique, you get like the personalised bubble wrap, silver bubble wrap, so your jewellery will come protected. You also get, it's recorded delivery, so you get to track your mail for the post. And then you get an invoice with like their name and address and then how much you spent. And also you get your gift wrap wrapped in like tissue paper with all the logo on and then the label as well. I'll just open it and show you what the box looks like. And then it comes nicely wrapped, and then ribbon, you just open the ribbon, you get a personalised box, there you go. And then inside you'll get your tags with Kinga Sektas all over it, and then your jewellery inside. All nicely secured with cushions so your jewellery doesn't get damaged. Okay. And also, as you can see, we've got our own personalised gift bags as well, with the logo on Kinga Sektas, and then the gift wrapping boxes in different sizes. Okay. So they'll be excellent for presents as well.